Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today we're going to unbox, install, and review the Hikari Acme-X. They're the 2021 model LED bulb replacement for our Toyota CHR. So we'll be installing the HIR2 or the 9012. So those are the same bulbs. Those are the codes. So come on, let's unbox this one out first. Okay, so what we have here is a package from Hikari through Amazon, and we're going to unbox this one out. Go. So what do they have here? So yeah, so they gave me that. A gift for you, enjoy, from Hikari. So, and of course they got the gift receipt in the box also. So yep, so that's what we have. It's the Hikari Acme-X. So let's check the package. So it is sealed. If we can open it, there you go. So what do we have? So we have the manual, the user guide, whatever. So yep, and we have the two bulbs in here. So they said these are new, so we're gonna install them, compare to the one. I'm actually using Hikari's, the cheapest one, like the $39.99 or $29.99 one, Hikari's. I'll put that in the link in the description below. But yep, this, I think this costs $99. So I think this is one of their expensive one. Well, yeah, one of their expensive one for sure. But yep, so we're gonna compare this, if there's any difference or whatever the difference are compared to the regular ones, the cheap ones. So if you're gonna buy this, you're gonna get 2-year warranty if you're gonna register through their customer care support. So just email them. Yeah, there's a QR code in here, and then you can just register it to get 2 years. And basically doesn't say anything much. We need to find out the wattage on this. So let's see. So oh, it says here, it should say it here. Okay, so it says here specification. So yep, so 46 watts for the whole set. So we need to find out how many lumens, whatever. Come on, let's install this one out. And that's what you have there. Okay, so I turned off the lights in the garage. We still have some sunlight outside, but I'm gonna turn on the lights of the car that I'm still using the cheap Hikari's one on this one. So they're the $39.99 as I mentioned. So we're gonna compare them. So come on. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the lights. So you won't really see any difference through the camera lens, but here you go. Those are the Hikari's, the Hikari $39 ones. If you see the beam pattern, they're nice. I don't have any issues on this. So I'm using Hikari's or Hikari LED bulbs on my fog lights, on my headlights. Same on my RAV4. I got Hikari LED bulbs also. And on the RAV4, it has a reflector type headlight assembly, but I don't have any issues on the road. I'm not blinding anyone because Hikari makes such good products that their beam pattern are correct, and you should install them properly also. So come on, let's install the new one. Okay, so we're going to remove this side first, and then we're going to compare the difference of the two. Okay, so you have to remove it. There you go. I already like twisted. So these are the $39.99 one. If you see, there's some discoloration because of the heat on it. So yep, but I don't have any issues on this. They're still good. So let's install the other one. So now we're going to install the new one. So it has a different design. So the other one has a wire that plugs in to the other side, to the factory harness. So now we're gonna plug this one in. So make sure when you're installing it, it is positioned that way. Okay, so it's not like that. It should be standing to your headlight like this. So all right, come in. The harness is short. There you go. Okay, there you go. So now let's test this one out. Let's check the beam, the difference on the beam on both. So come on. Okay, so again, we're inside the car. We're gonna try this. So the one on the right is the new one. The one on the left is the old one. Well, if you see, there's like a yellow U on the left, and then the right one is mostly white. So they're brighter. If you see, there's like dead spot on the left. Let me try to adjust my exposure here. There you go, you'll see it a lot better. So okay, so if you see, the one on the right is the new one. The one on the left, driver's side, it's the old one. So if you see, there's like yellowish U on the other one. Oh, let me turn off my fog lights. There you go. Okay, so much better. Okay, but you'll still see there's still a yellow U on the other one on the left, and then there's a black spot on the left one. If you'll see, the one on the left is much wider, has a solid light on it compared to the one on the left. So yeah, so it's cold here in the garage. Yep, so it's brighter. What I can see here, you cannot really see it on the camera, I guess, but it's brighter. The new one is a lot brighter. The beam pattern, yes, it's still there. It is clean. And let's just install the other one. Okay, so I'll have the two beams, the two new lights on. So let's try it. Those are the DRLs. Yep, they're bright. Yep, they're brighter. And there's no dead spot that I can see compare to the other one. These are definitely brighter. So now let's turn on the fog light. Yep. So I have yellow fog lights. And let's turn on the thing, the LED bar. There you go. So, yep, so we will drive this tonight. And I'll try to take some videos on the road on this. So, yep, I'm happy right now. Hopefully they are good performer on the road. All right.